students, this is the maths class for second standard. Today we are going to learn about money. Money is a medium of exchange. We use money for buying or selling something. Different countries have different currencies. In India, the unit of money is rupee. We express the Indian money in terms of rupees and paise. Paise is written as P and rupees written as Rs. Paise is written as P and rupees written as Rs. We write rupees by the symbol as shown here. This is the symbol for denoting rupees. We use currency notes and coins when we buy or sell something. The number on the face of the currency indicates its value. Note, it is paper money printed by government on special paper. There are different currency notes of different values. 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 500 rupee note and 2000 rupee note. These are the different currency notes used in India. Coin is the money prepared with a metal. Here are the various coins used in India. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. Children, now all of you take your textbook, page number 106. Let us begin. Select the correct amount and pay the bill. Children, to correct the amount 90, we select 1 10 rupee note, 1 5 rupee coin and 2 rupees coins. The second amount rupees 23. Children, can you select the correct amount? Yes. We select 1 20 rupee note and 1 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Next, to correct the amount 47, we can select 2 20 rupee notes and 1 5 rupee coin and 1 2 rupee coin. Next, to correct the amount rupees 98, we can select 1 50 rupee note, 2 20 rupee notes and 1 5 rupee coin, then 1 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Children, if you have 15 rupees, it is written as rupees 15. We can write it as rupees 15. Here, this is the symbol used for the Indian rupee. We use this symbol instead of the word rupee. A dot is used to separate rupees and paise. This dot is used to separate rupees and paise. Now let us see what the number on the left side of the dot. Here 50 denote the rupees. And the number on the right side, here zeros indicate the paise. We read this as 15 rupees 0 paise. 15 rupees and 0 paise. Children, if you have 30 rupees and 50 paise, we can write it as rupees 30.50 paise. First we write the symbol instead of the word rupees. We use the dot to separate rupees and paise. The rupees are written the left of the dot. The paise are written to the right of the dot. Two places are used when writing the paise after the dot. We read this as 30 rupees and 50 paise. Children, can you write this amount in words? Yes, 5 rupees and 50 paise. 5 rupees and 50 paise. 16 rupees 16. We can write this amount in words. 16 rupees. Children, can you write this amount in words? 47 rupees and 75 paise. 47 rupees and 75 paise. Children, now let us learn about exchanging money. Children, the relation between rupee and paise is 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. We can make 1 rupee by using different coins. For example, this is 5 rupee coin. A 5 rupee coin is equal to the sum of 5 1 rupee coins. 5 rupee equal to 1 plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. A 5 rupee coin is equal to the sum of 10 50 paise coins. A 5 rupee coin is equal to 2 2 rupees coins and 1 1 rupee coin. A 5 rupee coin is equal to 3 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupee coin. A 5 rupee coin is also equal to 2 50 paise coins, 2 1 rupee coins and 1 2 rupee coin. Similarly, a 50 rupees note is equal to the sum of 5 10 rupees note. 50 rupee equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. A 50 rupee note is equal to the sum of 120 rupee note and 3 10 rupee notes. 50 rupee equal to 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. A 50 rupee note is also equal to the sum of 2 20 rupees note and 1 10 rupee note. 50 equal to 20 plus 10. Children, now let us learn about addition involving money. Now we have 5 50 paise coins which is equal to 2 rupees and 50 paise. If I have 5 rupees coin, then can you tell me the total rupees I had? Add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 which is equal to, children, 5 equal to 25. So here 25 rupees. If we have 5 1 rupee coins which is equal to rupees 5. 5 1 rupee coin equal to rupees 5. Then if we have 8 2 rupees coins which is equal to rupees 16. If there are 8 50 paise coins which is equal to rupees 4. 8 50 paise coins equal to rupees 4. Here we have some coins in this box. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. There are some things in this column A. Which coin will you use to buy this lollipop? The cost of lollipop is rupees 5. So here we will use 5 rupee coin. To buy this mango of rupees 8 and 50 paise, we will use 1 5 rupee coin, 1 2 rupee coin, 1 1 rupee coin and 1 50 paise coin. 50 paise coin. To buy this water bottle of 15 rupees and 50 paise, we can use 1 10 rupee coin plus 1 5 rupee coin and 1 50 paise coin. Children, please take your textbook, page number 108, exercise 1.6, page number 109, write the following in words, and page number 111. These are your today's homeworks. That's all today. We will meet on next class with more about money. Thank you.